Youm-e-Pakistan or Pakistan Resolution Day is celebrated on 23rd March every year in Pakistan. It is a national holiday in Pakistan commemorating the Lahore Resolution passed on 23rd March 1940. This resolution called for the creation of a separate homeland for Muslims in India. The resolution was a first step towards the creation of Pakistan. This is a day to remember the struggles undertaken by the Muslim leaders of subcontinent. It reminds us the hard work of our forefathers for independence. The day is marked with military parades, cultural programs, and flag raising ceremonies. The main parade is held in Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. Students across Pakistan pay tribute to the country founders. It also reminds Pakistanis to their responsibility to uphold their country ideals.